What is a Monday.com partner and why should you work with one? Well, I am just so tickled you asked. My name is Kiki Ruff and I work with Workflow, a Monday.com Platinum partner. We know that navigating a new work OS can become overwhelming very quickly. And that, my friend, is where a Monday partner comes in. Monday.com is a low-code operating system that can be supercharged with time-saving functionalities. Partners help identify the products that your team needs to be successful and continue to provide you with tools, assistance, and education throughout your Monday.com journey. Now, first things first, we meet to outline your workflow and discuss your vision for Monday.com. During this initial evaluation, your partner will help you determine what product and plan is best for your use case and how they can support you as you scale. And if you need help migrating data or configuring boards, partners will help you determine how many service hours are needed to get the job done. And this is just the initial evaluation, okay? After purchasing Monday.com, you can rely on your partner to bring your operating system to life with your unique process. And does the support stop there? No. Partners continually educate themselves on new Monday.com features and best practices. They'll be able to proactively manage your workspace to prevent reactive fixes. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I am Kiki Ruff with Workflow, a Monday.com Platinum partner. If you're ready to begin exploring Monday.com with the assistance of a partner, please reach out to us at Workflow today to get started. End screen. Let's see how that looks.